Rockstar cookies by Carly. There's a lot of yum in one cookie.
There's a lot of yum.
Yes, a lot of yum in one cookie. Trust the process.
Believe in yourself.
Now let's sweeten things up. With our AP flour, let's go ahead and whisk in our salt and our baking soda. Okay, and let's go ahead and set this aside. Okay, now let's get a small bowl. We're going to mix milk chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, toffee bits, and pretzels. And let's just give those a stir just to kind of mix up. And now let's set this aside. Okay, let's bring in our stand mixer with the paddle attachment. I'm going to put 2 sticks of room temperature butter, brown sugar, and granulated white sugar. Now we're just going to whip this until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, let's add our 1 egg and our vanilla. And let's just blend this until incorporated. Let's go ahead and add half of our flour. Blend on slow so we don't get it everywhere. Okay, the other half. We still want flour to show, and we just want them in a little bit of crumbles right now. See how that's just kind of crumbly? Now that we've got it at that consistency, let's go ahead and add in our candy pieces and pretzels. Now mix this on slow just until incorporated because you don't want to overmix the batter. I think we got it where we want it. Let's go ahead and get our pans prepared with parchment paper. Okay, I have our pans lined with parchment paper, and I am using a number 12 scoop today. Almost overfill the scoop and just place them on the cookie sheet. Okay, we're going to bake these on a preheated 350-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. We'll get back with you. Okay, they're fresh out of the oven, and it took more like 25 minutes to bake fully. We're going to go ahead and get these onto a cooling rack, let them cool off, and then we'll get David in here to taste test. We have a nice full plate all ready to eat. They're still kind of warm.
They're still warm, yes.
Yes.
Let's give them a shot.
Very tasty.
Here's your half.
Thank you. It's a big half. It's a big cookie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh wow, there's a lot going on there.
I got this from Cooking with Carly, and it's her Rockstar cookie.
Yep.
It is absolutely amazing.
That's a lot like a chocolate chip cookie.
There's a lot of chocolate in there, but with the salted pretzels and the toffee bits, it's a little chewy.
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
It's really good.
It's chewy. It's still crispy. It'd go great with milk. That'd be a good milk cookie.
Definitely. Trust process.
Good cookie. Believe in yourself.
And have a great day.
Have a great day.